How do you create community in an environment where I want to be part of this community? I want to belong, but I also want to be seen as different.
I would flip the question to how can I harness community to empower my difference?
Ah,
Because I think community is a source to witness us, to give us feedback, to help us get perspective on what our light is, right? And how we can shine it. It's asking ourselves which decisions, which resources are best to harness community, and which decisions are best done individually. There's three levels. There's like technological tool judgment, AI and technology. There's community judgment. When should I crowdsource? That's often best done in broad brainstorming, where you just want a bunch of ideas, where you're not trying to make a decision. And then individual judgment, which is when you might have collected lots of ideas, but now you're honing your craft, which is making decisions. It starts in collaboration. It starts with one another. Our greatest sources of help are where we can least expect them. We have to be willing to ask, to contribute.
well, thank you so much, Erica. I can't wait to see you in a very short week.
I'm so excited to be there and so great to connect with all of you.
Well, you're going to be speaking to a group of people that's going to absolutely love what you have to say because this is what we've been living. A lot of people thought that, our greater purpose of enriching lives through human connection was a touchy feely slogan. It's turned out to be a pretty darn good business model.
The best business model.
Thank you so much for taking the time today.